Hello everyone, today we are going to complete vocabulary from chapter number 8, The Wits Miracle. This chapter is from your ELR book. In vocabulary for A, many words have multiple meanings. Look up the dictionary and write two meanings of the following nouns. यहाँ पर नीचे कुछ nouns दिए हैं जिनके अलग अलग meaning है. जैसे first digit. A digit is written symbol for any of the 10 numbers from 0 to 9. And second meaning, a digit is also a finger, thumb or toe. Then second word is second noun is boots. Boots are shoes that cover your whole foot and the lower part of your leg. Next meaning, another meaning is, if you boot something such as a ball, you kick it hard. Third noun, pad. A pad is a thick, flat piece of a material such as cloth or rubber. Another meaning, a pad of paper is number of pieces of paper which are fixed together along the top or the side. Fourth, a form of something is a type or kind of it. A form is a paper with questions on it and spaces marked where you should write the answers. Then fifth, a tube is a long hollow object that is usually round like a pipe. A tube of something such as paste is a long thin container which you squeeze to force the paste out. Then sixth, if something pops, it moves up and down like something does when it is floating on water. A bob is a short hairstyle for women. Seventh, if you are allowed credit, you can pay for goods or services several weeks or months after you have received them. If you say that someone is credited to someone or something, you mean that their qualities or achievements will make people have a good opinion of the person or thing mentioned. Last one, balm is a sweet smelling oil that is obtained from some tropical trees and used to make creams that heal wounds or reduce pain. If you refer to something as a balm, you mean that it makes you feel better. Then B. Match these words to their meanings in the context of the story. Then make sentence using any 5 words. First one, blurred means to make something less clear, dim and vague. Second, discern. B, saw it but not clearly. Third, frantically. H, behaving wildly or uncontrollably because you are frightened or worried. Then fourth, lingers. I, continues to exist for a long time, often much longer than expected. Then muttering, murmuring in low voice in a way that you cannot be heard clearly. Then sixth, prancing, to move with quick high steps. 7. Slumped, fell suddenly or heavily and sank down because of tiredness or illness. 8. Trachea, a windpipe. 9. Ushered, accompanied and showed the way. 10. Verge, the edge of a road or path covered with grass or flowers.